to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you've been there, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest way to bake catfish pepper soup. Like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I upload my new video. Let's get started. The ingredient you may need in this recipe is catfish, crayfish, pepper, salt, maggi, uziza and oda, and scent leaf. I start off by soaking my fresh catfish with hot water, then sprinkle some salt. This process allows the fish to be stiffened and avoid it to be slippery. Now I go ahead and drain the water away, then I repeat the process by adding a hot water and start washing it one by one. For easy washing, you can leave it to soak for like 2 minutes before washing it individually. How is your day going, guys? I hope you're liking this video. You're liking the way I'm washing my catfish, making sure there's no slime on the catfish. I know times are tough these days, but we all will get used to it. Moving on, I pour my dry ingredients into the blender. I pour my crayfish, my ozuza oda, and ehuru. If you're not able to find all these ingredients near you, you can get the pre-prepared pepper soup spice in a local store. Please make sure you get a good blender if you want this process to turn out good. I put my lid on and blend. I blend until I get to a smooth result. Nekene ka ihe a si akwa ọfụma ọfụma. For my non-Igbos, that means look at how it's blending well. Keep blending until you're satisfied with the consistency. Next, I place my catfish one by one just to check if it is clean. I pour my dry ingredients into the pot and pour enough water to cover the fish. It may not look like much is happening, but wait until you see the end result. I cover and leave for about 5 minutes. Then I stir gently. Please mind the way you stir, making sure that you don't break the fish into pieces. Now I go ahead and add 2 cubes of maggi. You can see this one is hard to break. You see the way I'm struggling. I add about a tablespoon of pepper, and make sure I mix it, and a tablespoon of salt. I stir gently again. I cover and leave for about 5 minutes. Guys, our pepper soup is ready to eat. Yummy! Hopefully you've subscribed by now. Don't wait. I go ahead and sprinkle my scent leaf. Wow. I can't wait to taste this. Who is hungry? Food is ready. Can you hear the way it's bubbling? Just take your time and listen to it. Guys, this is a finishing product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below and tell me which recipe you want me to cook for you the next time. Bye bye.